The new AI era is for the truly sensitive people, for the observant people, for the artistic people, for the people who are brave enough to stay curious. AI is replacing tasks where humans are used to calculate, estimate, reason. These are all tasks we used to consider smart, but this is not smart anymore. It doesn't matter how fast you are to reason anything, AI will always be faster. And honestly, this is great news because being a human was never about being reasonable. Reason is just a tool in a toolkit. Being a human is about having a heart, and nobody will ever have any idea about your heart except you. And that's why the new era will be for those who know their heart. Those are the people to hold the keys to the library of human experience.